Hi kindergarten, it's awesome to see you. We're about to do another activity with math. We've been learning all about different types of animals in class, and Miss Fisher posted a cool video the other day teaching you guys some cool facts about otters. I bet with all of our animal knowledge and our math knowledge, we can do a cool activity today. Sound good? Awesome. So what I want you to do today is you need to get a pencil or something else to write with, and you're going to need a piece of paper or something to write on. Sound good? Okay. When you're ready, let's keep going. Today, I want you to imagine that you are at a zoo. A zoo is full of tons of amazing animals from all around the world. There could be zebras, giraffes, dolphins, whales, all sorts of amazing creatures there. So use your imagination and pretend that you are walking through the zoo, okay? Today, we're going to be doing some math with the animals that we're thinking about, but instead of drawing the animals with lots and lots of detail, we are just going to draw circles to represent the animals. So when I say, oh, I saw 2 zebras, instead of drawing all big zebras with lots of detail, which would take me a long time, I'm just going to draw a circle, and that'll be zebra 1 and zebra 2. So that way it doesn't take me a really long time to do my math. You should do something similar. Sound good? And you can copy what I do too. Awesome. So today we're going to start off and we're going to imagine that we are next to the penguins. And the penguins are having a ton of fun on this giant rock. When you look into the zoo enclosure, you're going to see 6 penguins. Let's draw those 6 penguins like this. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There's our 6 penguins. We have to use our imagination, right? Because they aren't actually penguins on mine, but we're going to pretend they are. So there's our 6 penguins. Then, all of a sudden, they see a tasty and delicious fish. And of course, penguins want to eat the fish, right? So 2 penguins jump off. First of all, we have 6 penguins here, but 2 want to jump off. What do you think we should do to our picture? I think if 2 are leaving and 2 are going to jump into the water, we're not going to count those anymore. So we need to take away 2. For that, I'm going to cross off 2. 1, 2. How many penguins are left on the giant rock still looking for fish? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 left. So we started with 6 penguins, and then some penguins left. Some penguins jumped into the water. And so when you take away, or some penguins leave, or things disappear, then we need to subtract. And a subtraction symbol looks like this, which is like take away or subtract. So we have 6, take away or subtract, and then 2 jumped off. So it's 6 minus 2 equals, and then our final answer was how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 penguins left. Awesome. I'm going to erase my whiteboard. You can go to a fresh spot on your paper now, okay? Next, we are going to travel to the zebras. Zebras are super cool. They kind of look like horses, but they have black and white stripes. And they live in Africa. They're very beautiful. Let's imagine that we are looking at the zebras. And when we're looking at the zebras, we notice that there are 5 zebras eating some delicious hay. I'm going to draw them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to use my imagination, but these are my 5 zebras eating delicious hay. Then, as they're eating, some of their zebra friends notice that they're eating delicious hay, and of course they want some too, right? So 2 more of their friends come and want to eat their hay as well. Now, we're not taking any zebras away. We're going to add some zebras because more zebras want to eat some delicious hay. So I'm going to go like this. 1, 2, because 2 more friends came. What we just did was we started with 5, Then we added 2 more zebra friends who wanted to come eat. Let's write that. Now we're adding, because none of them are leaving, we're adding more. So we have 5 zebras plus 2 zebras. To get our final answer, we need to count up all of our zebras. Now, we already know this is 5. We actually don't need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We already know it. We drew that, right? So we can start counting at 5 and count on. What you can do in your brain is think, I'm going to grab the 5 and put it in my fist, and then I'm going to count on 2 more. So take the 5, put it in your fist, and we're going to count on 2 more, right? So 5, 6, 7. Nice. Now if you need to, you can still count the dots, right? Here they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zebras now are eating their delicious hay. Delicious. I'm going to erase my board. You can pause my video if I ever go too fast. If you need fresh paper, we can get some too. All right, let's do our next one. We're still at the zoo. We're having an amazing time. And at the zoo, one of the coolest animals I think that's there are the giraffes. Giraffes are super, super tall, and they can eat leaves way up at the tallest trees. And they have really long necks. They're so awesome looking. So there are some giraffes, and they are walking around their pen, and I'm going to notice that there are 7 giraffes. Seven giraffes are hanging out in their enclosure, having a great day. All of a sudden, the giraffes see an awesome, cool zookeeper walk in. And this awesome, cool zookeeper walks in and is bringing them some giraffe treats. They are so excited. So, they all want to go and rush over for the giraffe treats, right? But they can't all fit. They're really tall and big. So the zookeeper decides that he can only take 4 giraffes at a time. Only 4 will fit with him to go get the treats. So 4 go and leave to go get some delicious treats, and the other guys have to wait. It's hard to wait, huh? So how many just left? You remember? How many could the zookeeper take? 4, right? So if they're leaving, then that's subtraction. We need to take away 4. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many giraffes are still on the pen waiting to get their treats? Did you say 3? Yeah, because there's 3 left. Let's write that as an equation, okay? So there were how many giraffes to start with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There were 7 to start with. And then something happened. The 4 had to go and go get their treats. So we didn't add any giraffes. More didn't come. Some had to leave. And so when they leave, that is subtraction. Let's write a subtraction sign. We're going to be writing this equation up and down. Equations can be written up and down or side to side. And we're doing up and down right now. We're doing 7. Take away the 4 that went and got their treats. Then instead of doing an equal sign like this, up and down equations have an equal sign like this. So we do 7 minus 4, and then we put the answer underneath the line. How many giraffes are left? 1, 2, 3. Drawing a picture for math can really, really help. I'm going to erase my board, and we're going to do one more, and then we'll just practice without the zoo. Sound good? Okay, last one. You're at the zoo, and you're walking, and as you're walking, you see the tigers. Tigers are amazing. They come in different colors, but usually they're orange and black, and they're beautiful, really big cats. And these tigers are lounging in the sun just like my kitties like to do. So as you're walking up to the tiger enclosure, you see that there are 8 tigers. Let's draw them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I fit them there. Cool. Here are my 8 tigers. They're all having a great time, sitting in the sun, enjoying themselves. You walk up to their enclosure because you want to take a better look. And as you look, you notice that some baby cub tigers come out of their little cave. There's not just 8 tigers. You see 3 babies walk out of the cave. So did we take any tigers away? No. More tigers are coming. So 3 baby tigers are coming. Let's draw them. I'm going to make little circles for them. 1, 2, 3. There's our 3 babies. Nice. So I want to know how many tigers there are all together. When you hear the word all together, it means all of them. And when it's all of them, you probably need to add them together. So we started with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tigers. But then, what did we see? We saw 3 babies. And we aren't taking away the 3 babies, so they added on. So 8 plus 3 equals. Okay. Are you ready to bump and count on? Now we know we have 8. We know it. We've already counted it. If you want, you can recount them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But if we want to be super awesome mathematicians right now, we can try a challenge. You ready for a challenge? Let's bump and count on 3 more. Because we know we have 8. Let's bump 3 more. Ready? We're starting at 8. Put it in your hand. 8. And we're adding 3. So 8, 9, 10, 11. Or 9, 10, 11. Sometimes I've seen kids do this on their chin so they can really count well. So 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 tigers in the enclosure, the adults and the babies included. If you need to, you can count all the dots to check though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Check your work. We're good to go. 11. You guys are awesome mathematicians. Okay, we're going to do 2 more problems. No animals though. But what's really cool is you can still draw circles for your numbers. You ready to try? Okay. My first problem is 5 plus 4 equals. If you see a problem like this, you can totally use your hands. We could bump and count on. Let's try that strategy. You ready? Starting at 5, and we can have 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We know it's 9. Another strategy is bumping and counting on. So we know we have 5. We don't need to recount it. I know this is 5, right? So I put it in my hand and I say 5. And I put out my 4 because I need 4 more. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 9. Another way to prove that it's 9 is by drawing those circles that we just did. Let's try it. We have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we can count up all the circles. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did it match? We're good to go then. You are awesome mathematicians. We have 1 more, and now it's subtraction. Ready? last one today. I'm going to write the equation. I want you to copy me, okay? I'm going to go up and down ways. Ooh, are you ready for a challenge? Okay. This problem is going to be nine minus 3. 9 minus 3 equals, and our answer is going to go down here. This is an equal sign, and this is a subtraction sign. Subtraction does not mean you're going to add more. It means you're going to have to take away. So, you ready to start with me? This number is 9. We always start on the top here. If we were to write it another way, it would look like this. 9 minus 3 equals. Either way, we need to start where the equation starts, which is on top or over here on the left. Like how will we read? We start with 9. We need to draw 9 somethings. I'm going to draw circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can you draw 9 circles now? Remember, if you need to pause, you can pause anytime and then keep going. So, I drew 9 circles. But then it says take away 3 or minus 3. So I'm not going to draw 3 more because I actually have to take them away. I can't put more in. I'm taking 3 away. So to take away 3, I'm going to cross off 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Now I can count how many I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See if your answer matches. Remember, you can pause and wait if you need the time. So we had 9 and we took away 3 and we have 6 left. We totally did it. So when you add or subtract at home, your parents might be sending you videos or pictures of you guys trying some of these strategies. And I want you to try your very, very best when you practice. I can't wait to hear how you guys do. You guys are awesome mathematicians, and I want you to keep working hard. I bet you can do it, and I'm going to talk to you soon. Bye, guys.